Welcome to another video. In this one I'll show you how easy it is to fix your toilet when the water won't fill and it's just making a hissing noise. Just so you see what's the problem, this is what it's doing. It's not refilling, it's just making this hissing noise, and that's pretty much it. You might think that this is going to be an expensive fix, that you have to change the whole intake valve. Not really. Only one part you need to change in here. There is a diaphragm, a rubber diaphragm that needs to be replaced. It's a very cheap part. You find it anywhere locally. And depends on the area, this design might be different for you. Especially in America, you use also like this system with the diaphragm, but the placement is a little different. It's on top. In this toilet, the diaphragm is on the left side, and we have to open this part. You can use your fingers to open it, or use a pipe wrench to open it, not to squeeze too tight so you don't break the plastic. Open that part, and then we go to the next step. You see, it's still not refilling. It's very slowly coming out, and this is it's gonna take too long to refill like this. Before you open it, of course, you have to turn off the water supply to the toilet. If you just try to undo the screw like that, it might just open. Otherwise, you just use a tool to open it. The pipe wrench is useful for this. Yeah, try not to do that, but okay, you can pick it up from the bowl, not a big deal. As you see in this model, there is just a piece of plastic with a small hole in it, and there is a guide. And the actual diaphragm, the part that we need to replace, is this one inside there. Just try to pick it with your hand or with a screwdriver, whatever is easier for you. You will need to replace this anyway. The best thing to do is to take this out of the toilet and take it to a local shop. So you make sure you take the same model as you have, because yours might be different than the one I have. There are a few models and you want to use the same one. So first take the diaphragm out and take it to a shop, and then bring the new one back. The problem with this diaphragm, usually it becomes softer and it's not doing its job as it should. And this one, you will see it has a small crack in it. I'm trying to show you now, just trying to find where the crack is on it. And it just has a small hole. The white piece of plastic is normal to be there, but there is somewhere the rubber gasket is broken, and that's why it's not working. There it is, we found it. It's not a big hole, but it's enough to make problems. These gaskets, these diaphragms, it's a water intake valve diaphragm, that's the name of the part. But if you take it to a shop nearby, they will look at it and know what you need. And also take the other part, the plastic one, just to make sure that they fit. When you get the new one, just compare them, make sure that they look the same. These ones that I have here are exactly the same, so this is going to work because it's the same. So you see this plastic part here, it has the piece of rubber that blocks the hole. There is a small hole in there, and there's a guide. You see the guide, it has to align with the guide on the actual diaphragm. It's very easy, you just put it in there so it can move up and down like that. Like this is perfect, it's ready to go. To make it easier to reinstall it, I had to remove the lever from this. It just unclips, it's very easy. The most important part here is to align this tab here, as you see it, with that tab on the actual toilet bowl. So just install it, align it, make sure there is a good seal. It's not that is straight. It's important to be straight. Close it as tight as you can get it with your hand. No need to use a tool. And yeah, now it's ready. Just need to install the lever back on. Make sure you put it as I am doing it between those guides, so that it will lift when the water level goes up. Press it down. Make sure it clicks and it's installed now. It's ready to go. Now let's test it and see if it works. That's much better. You can see the water level going up. This is how this toilet should work. So with a small part, this was very cheap to change. I didn't have to call a plumber. It was very easy to replace. As long as you align the diaphragm well and you put the lever back into place and it clicks, everything should be good. It stops perfectly. Thumbs up. Perfect. Just making sure that it's really tight. That's all. I hope this video helps you, and if it does, make sure to give a like, press the like button below, and share this video with your friends. Tell your friends to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this one. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.